A drawing tablet is almost a second touchscreen for your computer, making it possible for you to use a pen or stylus to input information onto a screen. Just about any creative task on a computer requiring pinpoint precision can greatly benefit from the tactile response of a pen in your hand. But drawing tablets can be particularly valuable for presenters, artists, graphic designers, and Photoshop geeks. With the best drawing tablets, digital artists can bring their creations vividly to life. There are fantastic drawing tablets available for hobbyists, professionals, and total newbies alike, no matter your needs and no matter your budget. In fact, there's so much choice out there that it can be quite challenging to choose a tablet. We have listed the top 5 drawing tablets and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. Wacom Intuos Drawing Tablet. Wacom's Intuos Drawing Tablet comes in 3 models: Intuos S, Intuos S with Bluetooth connectivity, and Intuos M with Bluetooth connectivity. All 3 models come with the option to download up to 3 software packages, and each tablet features 4 hotkeys for optimized customization. Additionally, each model comes with a pen that offers 4096 pressure sensitivity levels and also has 2 customizable hotkeys built into the side for fast and easy access. The accompanying pen also has interchangeable flexible and felt tips stored inside the body of the pen to suit your unique drawing style. Thoughtful details like the pen tray make this a favorite among artists of all levels. Plus, starting around at $50 makes it an affordable option too. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Honestly, most tablet computers are going to cost an arm and leg, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus hurts your wallet a little less than most. It comes with an S Pen, Samsung's iconic stylus, versions of which also come with other devices. The Galaxy Tab S Pen was redesigned to feature minimal lag, which, combined with the fastest processor ever in a Galaxy Tab, means you won't see a disconnect in response time. Plus, the tablet intelligently adjusts refresh rate to match the content on your screen. Little things like how the S Pen magnetically snaps onto the tablet to recharge are what make this tablet computer so easy to use. Its durability and lightweight build compared to screen size are other small details that really add up in user experience. For convenience at a relatively affordable price point, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus is a serious contender. One thing to note though, like all other Android tablets, the Galaxy Tab doesn't support Procreate. It does, however, come with 6 months of Clip Studio Paint. As long as you're not a die-hard fan of iOS, there are other options. Number 3. XP Pen Artist 24 Pro. If you want a lot of drawing room, the 23.8-inch XP Pen Artist 24 Pro provides a ton of space to create your work. The 2K QHD display realizes your design in vivid color, allowing you to notice even the smallest details. It's built for comfort. The tablet stand is adjustable and can tilt up to 60 degrees, making it easy for you to find your sweet spot. It also accommodates both right and left-handed artists, with dials and shortcut keys on both sides of the tablet for ambidextrous access. Either way, all 20 shortcut keys are customizable, so you can set the tablet to meet your needs. The XP Pen Artist 24 Pro comes with a battery-free stylus, which features 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt, giving you the most sensitive digital drawing experience. Number 2. Apple iPad Air 5th Gen. Apple has been hard at work over the past couple of years updating all of its products with its in-house M1 processing chips, and now it's the turn of the iPad Air. The refresh of a popular iPad line boasts super fast and super smooth performance thanks to its new chip architecture, and the fact that you get Apple Pencil 2 compatibility means it's also one of the best drawing tablets. When we reviewed the Apple iPad Air, we found its display to be simply superb. With its 2360 by 1640 IPS LCD panel that delivers 264 pixels per inch for excellent detail. It's got comprehensive color support and even backlighting with a maximum brightness of 500 nits. Granted, the iPad Pro provides a superior display with 600 nits of brightness on the 11-inch version or a whopping 1000 nits for the flagship 12.9-inch iPad Pro. The Pro also provides a much smoother refresh rate of 120Hz rather than 60Hz, but it's also a significantly pricier proposition. Put the two tablets side by side with an Apple Pencil 2 and the different refresh rates will mean that you will notice the difference in terms of latency. But let's not get carried away here. In practical terms, 60Hz is more than enough, and the iPad Air 2022 is still one of the smoothest drawing experience you can get right now. Plus, you can watch Netflix on it when you're done drawing, which is not something you could do on a Wacom. Number 1. Wacom Cintiq 16. Similarly to the Artist 12 from the XP pen, the Wacom Cintiq 16 aims to offer artists a true digital canvas to work on. A standalone touchscreen display that packs in the same precision of a Wacom's non-screen pads, but with a colorful visual to offer immediate feedback on your work. That display measures 15.6 inches diagonally and features an SG resolution of 1920 by 1980. The glass encasing the top of the display, while a bit glossy, features a glare-reducing coating that's easier on your eyes. Speaking of accuracy, the Cintiq 16 can portray up to 16.7 million distinct colors, giving it a gamut accuracy of 72%. This is pretty standard for design needs and will work well for most art projects. The other side of the Wacom equation is physical feel of drawing on the tablet. Wacom is known for its accuracy and functionality, and the company has done its best to include those features here on an actual screen-based tablet. At the center of that is the Pro Pen 2, providing 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, up to 60 degrees of tilt recognition, and impressively low latency level that is basically undetectable to most users. You'll sacrifice some controls such as multi-touch capabilities and assignable function buttons found on other Wacom units. But you're doing so to get the best possible display-oriented tablet you can for a steep but not exorbitant $650. Whether you're a professional artist or just dipping your toes in the world of art, there is a drawing tablet to meet your needs. The Wacom 16 Cintiq drawing tablet is hard to beat since it offers most of the available features emerging and seasoned artists desire. That said, each tablet on this list was picked to help a different subset of artists, from those who want the cheapest possible tablet that actually works to high-end tablets for pros to multifunctional tablets for newcomers who just want to doodle and take notes by hands. Drawing tablets can feel unapproachable because it's a niche piece of gear, but everyone's needs are valid. Let us know in the comments down below which drawing tablet you're going to choose. Thanks for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.